Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem is that your CPU usage if you 100% using on the Windows 10 and 11. So how you can resolve that? Just like that when you're using your PC, your laptop, and desktop, anything. Yeah, and you see that the usage of the CPU is too much and it's 100%. So how you can have to overcome that and low that? So first of all, you just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix the issue. First step is that disable background apps. Just going to the settings, privacy, background apps, and just turn off unnecessary ones. So after that, you're going to the step 2, and the step 2 is that Superfetch system main. So first of all, you just have to just type window plus R just like that, and just type services.msc and just find SysMain just like that. I'm gonna copy that and just going to the search bar of the one and just OK it. And you see that I want to find SYS main. SYS main. I see that I'm gonna find that. I'm gonna click the right and stop it. And see the option of stop, you just have to just click on that. After that, you just see go to the step 3. Step 3 is that update or rollback drivers. You just have to go to the device manager. Just find the right click on the icon of the window and just go to the device manager and just going to their interface. So after going to the device manager, you just have to just going to check processor, display and disk drivers and update it or roll back it if needed. If we have to update it, yes, okay. If it's already updated, just okay. And just going to step 4. Step 4 is that check Windows update. You have to check that you have Windows updated or not. So just have to just going to the settings and search our window updates and just going to update the window. So after doing that, step 5, disable Windows searching index. Optional, it's optional. If you want, then do it. If you don't want, then don't have to do it. Step 6 is that scan for malware. Use Windows security plus full scan. Remove any undetected threats. You have to just scan malware on the Windows securities. And the step 7 is that restart power plan. Just have to just open control panel, going to the power option and just going to the balance plan and click change advanced settings and just going to processor power management and set minimum to 5%. It's gonna get some minimum working and just try to overcome the CPU usage. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos and many issues related to the Windows. So that's the video and just follow all the steps to fix the issue.